Today we are discussing the latest promo of Rimjim, and it has left fans emotional. The promo hints at a heartbreaking situation where Rimjim reaches a point of complete despair, while Samir is forced to face one of the biggest emotional challenges of his life. The promo opens with Rimjim rushing towards Samir. Her face reflects pain, confusion, and helplessness. It is clear that she has learned about the difficult choice Samir has been asked to make. She understands that he has been caught between his responsibilities toward Buama and his love for his wife. Rimjim quietly tells Samir that she knows everything. She says she has heard about the impossible situation he is facing. Instead of feeling relieved that Samir stood by her, she is overcome with guilt. In her eyes, the man she loves is suffering because of the conflict surrounding their relationship. As she looks at Samir, she begins speaking from her heart. She explains that she knows how important Buama is to him. She has seen the respect, gratitude, and affection he has always shown toward her. That is why she cannot bear the thought of becoming the reason for distance within the family. The promo suggests that Rimjim reaches an emotional breaking point. She tells Samir that she never wanted his love to come at the cost of someone else's happiness. She believes that true love should bring peace, not pain. Her words leave Samir speechless. He tries to comfort her, but Rimjim's emotions continue to overwhelm her. She feels there is no solution that can make everyone happy. Then comes the most shocking moment shown in the promo. Rimjim moves toward the staircase and appears ready to take a dangerous step. In that instant, she seems to believe that removing herself from the situation would end everyone's suffering. Before anything tragic can happen, Samir reacts immediately. He rushes toward her and catches her hand just in time. The promo captures this emotional rescue as one of the biggest moments in the upcoming episode. Samir refuses to let Rimjim fall. Holding her tightly, he asks why she would even think of taking such a step. His expression reflects fear, relief, and heartbreak all at once. Rimjim breaks down in tears. She explains that seeing Samir in constant pain has become unbearable for her. She never wanted to become the reason behind misunderstandings or family conflict. Samir makes it clear that losing Rimjim would never solve the problem. Instead, it would create even greater pain for everyone. He reminds her that every difficult situation has a solution if people face it together instead of giving up. This scene may become a turning point in their relationship. The promo strongly suggests that Samir now understands the depth of Rimjim's love and sacrifice. At the same time, Rimjim sees how determined Samir is to protect her no matter how difficult the circumstances become. From here, many questions remain unanswered. Will Samir find a way to reunite his family without sacrificing his marriage? Will Buama eventually understand Rimjim's feelings? Or will new misunderstandings make the situation even more complicated? The promo does not reveal those answers, which means viewers will have to wait for the full episode to discover what happens next. If the emotional intensity shown in the preview continues throughout the episode, fans can expect one of the most dramatic installments of the series so far. Some viewers also believe this rescue could become a major turning point for Samir's character. After witnessing Rimjim's emotional state, he may decide that staying silent is no longer an option. Instead of allowing circumstances to control his life, he could begin confronting the issues that have been creating tension within the family. Others think the story may take a different direction. The emotional incident could encourage every family member to reflect on their actions and finally understand how deeply the ongoing conflict has affected both Samir and Rimjim. Whether that happens remains to be seen. One thing is certain, the latest promo has successfully increased curiosity among fans. The emotional performances, the dramatic rescue, and the unanswered questions have made viewers eager for the next episode. What do you think will happen after Samir saves Rimjim? Will this incident bring the family closer together, or is another unexpected twist waiting just around the corner? Share your predictions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Rimjim updates.